Abahakanise ki n'ab'ekibiina ky'abeegi b'eddiini omu ihanga lyona ekya Uganda Universities and Colleges Adventist Students Association.
Adventist students in these universities which are not church founded, we have challenges of exams being put on Sabbath. So students end up missing their exams because we believe on Sabbath is a holiday of the Lord, where you are supposed to congregate to worship, not to congregate to do exams or any other business, but to congregate to worship the Lord. And so for us, we believe that on a Sabbath day, we are supposed to go to church and pray to God, not to do exams. And so we end up missing exams, and before you know, you cannot be promoted to the next class. And then instead of finishing a course in 3 years, you end up finishing it in 5 years.
As a Seventh-day Adventist, this is a day that we have wholly dedicated to the Lord, and we feel we should give respect to Him first. We would appeal to the government to also respect this.
What I would like the government to change is to give freedom of worship to every student, because we all pay tuition and we have rights, and our country Uganda is a country where there is religious liberty, so everyone should be given a chance to exercise their belief.
Omu kwezi kwa mwenda omwaka oguhire ekanisa y'abachwanga ekahakanisa ekiteezo kya gavumenti eyabaire neyenda ngu izooba ry'orwamukaaga riteekwe omu kalenda kagamwe aha mazooba ag'amashomero gaine kushomesezamu. Gashakwa Jonathan Tusingwire.